and welcome back. I wanted to do a flip through of the completed Boho Journal. Hopefully you crafted along with me, and thank you so much. It was fun to kind of do the journal as I made the videos. It was kind of a fun thing. Okay, so here is the cover. This image is from Studio28E's Boho kit, which I used in the journal, and I will have the shop link below, as well as the kit below. On the cover, I used metal finding to I was thinking to kind of go with her jewelry that she has, along with these buttons right here. There's the 3 buttons right here with the blue. I wish these were blue, but it's still really cool that it has a similar style. And then I added make sure I'm in frame, a tassel that I made using some sari silk and some fun buttons. I just imagine, you know, the gypsies collecting beads on their travels. And there's also this key, and it's attached up here with a Tim Holtz hooky thing. I'm sure there's a name. I don't know what it is right now, but you can take it off if you would like, if it's too much while you're journaling. You can also exchange this tassel for something else, so that's kind of fun. And then at the bottom, I have dangles from, let me make sure, yep, from the signatures. So there's a key and an owl, some beads with this one, and a butterfly. You'll see butterflies throughout the journal, and then a tree. But those were all appropriate charms to go with the journal. This closure is a sari silk closure with eyelets. And there's the back. And 2 signatures. All right. In the front, so the cover fabric wraps around, and then I have a piece of sari fabric here in the middle. And then this is part of the boho kit right here, this beautiful image. I did coffee dyeing, and I ended up doing some stenciling. I really do like to stencil throughout. And if you watched the process of making this journal, I made a big patchwork section and then cut it up and made pockets. And then we did some tags together, and those are tucked in. I love how this turned out. Like I said in the videos before, I couldn't decide on which fabrics to use, so I just really think that making a patchwork, you get to see bits of all the beautiful fabrics. There's lace and trim throughout. Another image from the kit, and the bells. You have to have bells for a boho style. Another tag, and another one of those pockets. Another page from the kit, and then some old atlas. Again, I feel like, you know, gypsies and their world travels. The atlas was appropriate. This was another video we made, a collage, used an image from the kit and just kind of layered up from some fabrics. And this is jelly dyed, or jelly plate paper, sorry, not dyed. Perfect spot for pictures and journaling, glue books kind of things. Yeah, another page with a coffee dye. And then this really pretty scrapbook paper that I had in my stash. There's this fun shiny finish on the pages. I thought a map would be appropriate. However, who knows about the United States back in the gypsy days? I didn't think of that, but oh well. And then there's an envelope, and I did some collaging on the bottom. And in here is a piece of butterfly ephemera from the kit. Inked up the edges. And then that's just attached with a paper clip. I'm sliding around my fabric here. And then this is the center signature. So again, there's the dangles at the bottom. You could move the dangles up to the top too. They're long enough if you want to also get them out of your way. You could, of course, always trim them. It's really up to you. But I think those add a little fun detail to the book. Another little pocket. Another fabric. Here is a tuck spot from the journaling kit, and here's a little tag. Perfect for journaling on the back. Here's another image that I just fussy cut from the kit and glued in. Another one of those pockets, and then here's kind of a layered tag. It has wallpaper and book page. Again, thinking of their travels and if they collected bits and pieces as they went on. Here, using that same fabric, made a tag and then a tag with a tag. Kind of a coordinating tag. Here is this beautiful embroidered peacock. Isn't she beautiful? And then now she's a tuck spot. And there's also a tag. Another fun image from the kit. Some fun, funky lace, or ribbon, really. On here, I just clipped another image from the kit. Another piece of this fun ribbon. All right, and then on to the second signature, more bells. Here, I just put her on. I thought she was a tuck spot, but nope, I glued her all the way down. And here's another image, picture we made with the jelly plate pictures, or paint, sorry, man. Another tag, another pocket. I love that combo with the pink and the butterfly. This book will be available. It should be listed now. After making this video, it will be listed in my Etsy shop. Oh, it's a fun one. I love how the purples and the purples go. And this elephant, this is a great page. I love it. Another spot for journaling. And then off camera, I didn't film this, but I want to make some more of these because it was really fun. Wendy's something junk journal, she made similar pockets to this, and I made one using some scraps. And yeah, super fun. I want to make more of these. Probably in my, oh, did I stick it in? Oh yeah, this one might be in there. I'm gonna have to do that off camera. I don't want to rip anything. And then there's tickets on the top with some scraps. And here's the dangles for the center. Another tag. I added this fun gold trim. Another collage on the bottom. Great journaling spot. The baby elephant. A little collage here on the bottom. This is the metal finding. Another butterfly. Some fun trim here. Here's just a little card I made with some scraps. Thought that would be fun for a little journaling collage part. You could use it throughout the journal and just rip pieces like I've done. So I thought that was fun to include. Library card. Another beautifully, oh, it's so pretty. So pretty, and look at all the detail, how all the little pieces of sequins. I would not have patience for that. It's just beautiful. And here's another tag, and there's a belly band. And it slides in and out. There we go. Some of the fabric from the cover. Another one with the butterfly, and then I added a bell on here. Love the blues and the blues together. And in this back pocket, we have a little tuck spot, and then stuffed it with some goodies. So this says, "This journal belongs to," a tag, some stuff that the new owner could go in and embellish and decorate themselves. And those are all tucked in the back. And that is the back of the journal. So there we go. Isn't that so fun? I think this journal is one of my favorites that I've made recently. I think both because we did it together, and also the colors, and I love it. I love it. the vibrancy of it and the playfulness of it. I just think it's great. Anyway, if you're interested, check it out. It'll be in the Etsy shop. And if you enjoy doing the process of working on it together, please let me know. Or if you're one who would just like to see it all done at the end, I'd like to know that as well. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day, and we'll see each other soon. Bye-bye.